Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful unit that is very versatile. It can be used for women that are just wanting a little bit of extra volume on the top, that are just experiencing a little bit of thinning, as well as someone even experiencing diffused alopecia, where they're just having that little bit of thinning there, that it's not as severe as needing a full replacement, but they're just wanting that top coverage. And I will be showing you just how fast and easy that application can be. So what I like to do first is just look at where the client's hairline is, see exactly where she needs that coverage and where you want to start the first placement. So I'm going to be using these little clips just to help kind of hold this unit in place. As we all know, especially when the client does have hair, it can tend to move around a little bit. What's great is it has small tabs right at the front to really interlock and hold that front down. And you just pull off those very easy to remove tabs. So it has these amazing little openings to where you can actually take your crochet hook and just pull right through. Very simple, very easy. And you just want a small amount of hair, not too much, just enough to really lock in that line. If you have too little, it won't stay. So you've got to make sure you get that perfect amount, not too little, not too much. Lay it down. I absolutely love that this is a way that you can be able to give your client that top of coverage without having to shave them down for bonding, or even using clips that can sometimes cause a lot of tension and a lot of damage on the hair. And again, we're just gonna lock that little bit of hair in right in the front, and we have your gorgeous hairline already created in the front that quickly. So now I'm just gonna keep working my way around the head. Gonna keep my clip on that side just so I can keep the right amount of tension for the smoothest and flattest application. And as you're going, you just want to keep checking that you're just pulling, making sure that your tension is correct and that the application is going exactly where you want it. It's gonna stay completely locked in place for 4 to 6 weeks. Yes, you can go swimming in this, you can style it any way that you want to. Even if you want to do something with your hair up, it's going to hold and be very natural looking so that you can do all the versatile styles that you have to do. So after you've gotten your client secure all around the head, you're then going to move to the top, and you're going to actually take your crochet hook, reach right through the small openings, and you're going to pull the client's hair through that hole so that it's going to be coming out and actually blending in with the unit. Great benefit to this is that it actually is going to help make the unit blend more. It's going to make her feel like this is a part of her, which is very, very important. And the whole process, you're just gonna do it all around the head to wherever you see you need it. Once you have them through, just go ahead and smooth down any that are sticking up, reevaluate where your holes are, and pull again through anything that you see really needs a little bit of extra coverage. So this is gonna be our final step. We've done a lot of the pull-throughs all through where she needs it. We're right at the end now. So just gonna get those last few hairs through to just totally complete this look. And what's also great, check out your color. Look at that. You can even create sort of a different variation so that it looks very natural. You have those natural dimensions of the high and the low, and that is really what bringing through those last hairs does, besides making it look extremely natural. Also can add the beautiful color dimension and really seal all of that in place. Feels comfortable, nice and secure. We're moving you, nothing is happening. It's gonna stay there. So now that we have finished the application, I'm gonna be showing you the final steps for the cut-in and style and finish for our gorgeous model. Are you excited? You ready for this?
More than ready.
Awesome, we're gonna do it. And now we're gonna be styling a little side bang for her, since she has all of this extra hair that she can now achieve this look she's always wanted to try. We're gonna be doing that for her today. Process of having to tease and having to use all these products to achieve the fullness that you just naturally are going to get with this.
I feel fabulous. I love the new look. It gives me a volume that, that I want. So I'm definitely ready to go out and show it off.